we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced and confusing words, just like this one that is from French. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So for reference, in French, in France, because that's where it comes from, it is said as contretemps. It literally means it's the aggregation of two words, contre, meaning against, and temps, meaning time. So against time. In English, this is generally said as contretemps. Contretemps, because it is French, the P and the S at the end are silent. Contretemps is how it is said in English from French, contretemps. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.